Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add and remove widgets on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is press and hold your finger on an empty space in the home screen. So let's do that. Then we will open this menu. On the bottom left side we will have widgets, so let's tap here. And now here we can go through all these various widgets. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. I can tap on it in order to unfold the list of all widgets from that app. And then I can select which one I want to use. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. So we need to press and hold it, and then we can choose where we want to have it. We can also move it to the right in order to go to the next page of the home screen. And we can go even further in order to create another page. And then we can simply release the finger in order to drop the widget. And there we go. Now we can also adjust the size of the widget, at least in some cases. So we can resize it, and then you can simply tap anywhere in order to confirm the changes. Then if you want to remove a widget, then you need to press and hold the widget. So press and hold it, and then over here you will have the remove button at the top of the screen. So drop the widget on this button, and then it is gone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.